Are you cleaning up after me?
Yeah.
Because Daddy's just such a big mess maker.
Yeah. You sorry, Dad. I thought they're gonna clean this up in a school. Then we're gonna cruise.
Oh, we're gonna find the clues?
Yeah, that is probably is a mess in the woods. Look, you got wood in a mess.
Yeah, made a mess with wood.
Yeah, Dad, you made a mess. Dad, your story, Dad. Your story make you a mess.
Well, this is a mess I need to make, and then I clean it up.
So
As long as we clean up our messes, it's all okay.
Yeah, everyone just find that. Everyone just find them. Don't wish us just find. What just come up to the top?
Yeah, the extension cord, pull on it.
Yeah,
And pull it until it clicks, and then let it go.
yeah, that's better.
Pull it till it clicks. Yep, now let go. Pull it up, pull it again. Just a little bit. Alright, let go. Try again.
Okay, Dad.
Alright, let go. Let go.
Yeah.
You like that?
Yeah, the more this in the hair. The more this. Do you think you could in that? That they're kind of like this, what?
Am I gonna what?
There's that cut it in the wood.
Yeah, I cut the wood.
Yeah, it's awesome.
I love you, baby.
I love you, Dad.